Hi, this is Joel from Chapman Manufacturing, and this is our brand new Mity Master Set. This set is bigger than our current Master Set, hence the Mity, and the first limited amount of Mity Master Sets come in this awesome orange color. On the inside, it's a new tray design, so it is more modular than our previous kits in that there aren't specific spots for the tools, and you can move the racks wherever you would like to organize it however you would like. This kit has all the bits that are in the Master Set. Has two spinners. This triangular spinner is new. Ball Allen bits, which are also new. These are the hex bits with the ball on the end to reach screws at different angles. This kit has the two extensions like the Master Kit, and it also features the spacer. So you can use this with an extension to get a little bit more reach out of it. More hex bits. It has two new slotted bit sizes, number 91 and 92. The JIS bits are Japanese industry standard, which look like a Phillips bit. They are different. I did a video on these. There's a lot of confusion about them. You'll definitely need both, especially if you work on anything that comes out of Japan, because the JIS screws are all over the Japanese products. Has, as I said, ball Allen and standard and metric sizes, and then a full rack of star bits, including the S40, which is not in the Master Set, but it is in this one, the Mity Master, and this one is a pretty common size of torque screw, and the screwdriver handle. So it's a pretty neat set, and you can buy it on our website, chapmanmfg.com. Makes a great gift.